Okay, today we're going to show you how to put this this ring on this Saito 450 engine. You guys are having, some of you guys are having problems, and I'm going to hopefully try and clear this up today with the video here. This is a modified 450. It's one of my project engines. Don't be concerned about what you see. It's something you'll probably never see except for this engine. But the installation of the ring is going to be the same. And I would assume, or hopefully assume, that you already read the directions and you're having a problem, and you know you want to come to this video and maybe we can show you some things that you don't understand. So what usually happens is we can usually get two header pipes started into the adapter nuts, and then the third one kind of hangs out there, and we're going to show you how to overcome that. That'll be the first step of the video. So let me get the ring on there with the two started so you can see what I'm talking about. And then we'll show you what the third one looks like when where everybody's having a problem. So I'm going to get the two started here. And even it takes just a little bump. And then I'll show you two of the header pipes have started into the nut. You can see the flanges down in the nut there. Same thing here. But this one's way off. The third one is off. You can see it's hanging out of the way there. You know, it's not wanting to line up. Well, don't be concerned at that point. You want the other two to be sitting in their nuts just like that. And then you want to, at this point, you want to deliver. You see it's the nuts, the header pipe, the direction is hanging over, or the side it's hanging over on. We want to kind of line up a hit on the ring, a hard hit with our palm to drive that over and in. And if you get it just right, it'll just pop in, you know. If you're lucky the first time, it might take 2 or 3 times. But we're going to show you how that works. And I'm going to deliver that blow right here on the ring. Pretty hard blow, as you can tell. And that thing, it went right in. There it is. That's the third one that was hanging out there a minute ago. Now we're ready to start the nuts, and typically 2 nuts will generally start, and you probably have to mess with the third one. Well, don't screw all the nuts all the way in, just get them started. So I got 2 started, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a hard time with this third one. And if we look at the header pipe, it looks like it's off at an angle, like so. And don't be concerned about this, because we're going to show you how to overcome that. And so here's how you overcome it. If you run into that situation on this header pipe here, and we need for that header pipe to go this way a little bit. So what you do is you're going to raise this one up and make this one go down into its adapter nut, and that'll change this angle for you. And I already know I can't start this nut, and that's what I have to do. And that's how you overcome these angles, you know, these header pipe angles when the nut doesn't start. So I'm going to make sure I push this side all the way in, and this side's going to stay up out of the nut, or, you know, up high, and that'll change this angle. So I'm going to do that right now. I'll do that by screwing this nut in a ways, not making it tight, just kind of snug it down there. And this nut down here is going to be loose, and we'll make sure the header pipe stays up high in the nut. And that'll help us change the angle on the one we're having a problem with. I hope this makes sense to you. Okay, I just give that a push out. And that should have changed this angle just enough so I can get this nut started. And I do believe it just grabbed. And there you have it. That's how you change the angles to make, you know, to get things started. I gotta do that again. I'm gonna give it just a little bit more. That didn't quite start. But yeah, I'm sure at this point you get the idea. Okay, we're holding that one up. I'm gonna start this one. It just about grabbed there. I'm gonna back this nut out just a little bit more, so we get that a little more drastic on that angle to get this one going. I think she hooked up right there. No, not quite. There, she took a hold. Okay, I got the nut started now where the header pipe was at an angle, and now we're going to go back through and start tightening all the nuts. So that, you know, that's real easy. Don't panic if the hair pipe looks crooked and you can't quite get the nut started. You just got to think it through and position the header or the ring